Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick lesson working with font commands. So fonts are very important to understand, very important to know which fonts to use, aspects of a font when you're creating a complex spreadsheet. You can see that just on the spreadsheet alone, we have multiple different styles of fonts, whether it's the font itself or the bolding as well too. To start off, all of your fonts are listed on the Home tab underneath the Font section. To drop it down and view all of them, you're just going to click this little arrow. It's going to drop down all the different fonts you can use. When you're bolding something or you want something to stand out, like in this case, your channel marketing budget, I suggest using the Arial black font or another Arial or Times numeral bolded font that really stands out. And you're going to want to carry this through to make it look pleasing in your worksheet. You're going to want to carry it through to the subtitles then within your worksheet as well too. Make sure you're sticking with the same font. You can see that the other font that we used is this Euphemia. So we only have two fonts in our worksheet here. We have our Arial Black, which you can see right here is the headings. So it goes for all the different headings within our spreadsheet. And we have the Euphemia, which is all of our body. Okay? And that you can clearly see the difference between these two. So you can go ahead and you can choose different fonts and play around with them a little bit. Another thing I want to point out is the font collections at the top. So if you just kind of hover over it, it's going to show you all the different options of fonts that you can use, and you may want to spend some time looking into this. So fonts with a fixed width will all be right here. Fun fonts, all gonna kind of lay them out for you. So what Microsoft Excel has determined as fun. Your modern fonts, really good fonts if you're doing a PDF file. This is very important. I always like to use Times. I think it's the most professional font that there is. It's highly used in the business world, and it's very easy for the reader to read. Traditional fonts that are going to look really good on the web. So if you're uploading this document to your website, if you're doing a little calculator for your customers on your website, I would definitely recommend using one of these fonts. They're a lot more compatible online. And then your Windows Office compatible, it just does everything that's compatible within Windows Office. So all the different window application programs. So pretty straightforward, guys. Good to navigate, learn the different fonts, when you should use them, when you shouldn't. All right, everyone. Thanks.